What's going on, pros? This is Mike with another Dirty Promotions video. This probably is a 2020 Mercedes-Benz something, an SUV. And we are accustomed to doing some things to these vehicles. A lot of people are going to be like, I don't want to remove it, blah, 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 whatever, right? Cool. But we do. We remove the sweeps, but it seems like it's doable, like right here and all that kind of stuff. But just hold on and let me show you what is the problem with doing that, okay? Dale gas, Pepon. You're gonna have to do a couple of things because there's actually a hidden lock behind that we had never really encountered before. Hold on, another chancita. That lock right there is really holding that door. That little black thing. So you just have to pull it out, because if you start yanking this thing, you're probably going to break something like this. Okay, so you do that, pull this thing out, typical of those, and then this guy just goes up. And put some balls behind it, and it's out. And it goes back in real easy. Let me tell you another problem. Although this is a 2020 people, they ask these questions. This thing does not have any fur on it, no felt. So I'm going to discuss with my customer right now that this window will get scratches. I don't know why the fuck Mercedes-Benz never got it right, man. A lot of years they did it without felt, and they put felt, and in this 2020 again, no felt. I guess nobody ever told them that tint's going to go on the windows, and that felt, when dirt falls in here, it's going to scratch the film, and then they're going to come 3 months later saying it's warranty. Bullshit, it's not warranty. In my contract, put it as a faulty manufacturer defect, because to me this is a defect. Because if you've seen guys in the old days in Mercedes-Benz how they have all these scratches on the window on the inside, well, and on the outside, because of these not so talented made gaskets. Guys, have a great day.